Hi guys, welcome or welcome back to my channel. So in today's video, wait, hold on a bit. You know, sometimes when your scalp would just be itching you, like it's really terrible when you get your hair done and then there's this itch that you're not going to be happy or satisfied until you just really itch your head, and you're going to be happy if you've ever had that experience because of this video. Today I'm going to be showing you how to make this cap wig a very easy throw on and go wig. You just have to put it on and you're good to go, like just like that. Easy as ABC. Need a few things for this DIY project. You need your dummy head. Mine is attached to a sort of like clamp which is attached to the table just so it's firm. Then you need a cap, any cap of your choice. This is just an old cap. You need your weaves, and this is just some leftover weave from a closure wig I made, which is also on this channel. I'm going to link it. Then you need your glue gun as well as your glue sticks and a pair of scissors. You always need a pair of scissors. So first things first, make sure your glue gun is plugged so it's heating and the glue is melting while you're doing any other thing. So I'm just going to put the cap on the dummy head, and I'm not going to bend the front part of the cap. If you know what this part is called, please let me know because I'm clueless over here. I don't know what that part is called. So make sure you don't bend it, just leave it as it is. For the back of the cap, I'm going to adjust the straps to make them as free as possible because I have a big head. It took me years to accept it, but here we are now. So you want to make sure there's enough space for your head and to glue down the weave. So now I'm going to take my bundles and start gluing them on the cap. I don't advise you to glue it all round, like in a single line at once. That's just because you're going to end up gluing it on the strap and it will make the strap move freely, which may become a problem when you're wearing the cap. Especially if you have a big head like mine, it's going to be a struggle. For the sides, I'm going to be gluing it from each end to end. That is from the head, where the head of the cap is, to where the straps are. But I'm not going to be gluing it so close to where the hole is in the cap near the straps, just so the glue isn't visible through there. You just use the weave to measure the space, cut it and glue it on. Don't glue the weave too close to the edge of the cap, just so the glue does not peek through. You don't want the glue to be visible through any part. You just have to make sure everything is glued properly, press it in, make sure everything is firm. Now I'm going to zoom in and repeat the same process on the other side of the cap, glue it twice on the band and then proceed to the back. Just going to pin each part of the strap down. This is just so that it's straight and not wrinkled or anything like that. And as you can see, this thick part of the cap, that's the bandish part at the back. I'm not going to glue anything there. Like I said, this is just so that the glue does not seep through or it's not visible through that part. So I'm just going to glue directly above the band part of this curve. Going to insert this here. If you already subscribed to my channel, please click that subscribe button and join this family right here. So we're almost at 1000. Let's get there. I'm so excited for that. When I was done with the back side, that is this curve side, I went to add more layers to the sides, and in total I had about 5 rows on the back and 4 on each side. There's no particular way to do this, you just have to keep checking it, like putting the cap on your hair, seeing if it's okay, and adding more depending on how full you want it to be. I didn't want mine to be so full, which is why I didn't add a lot, but if you want yours fuller, you could add more rows. I couldn't show the part where I had to take it off and put it back. This is what it was looking like, and that's all I did. So if you like this video, don't forget to give it a thumbs up, because you're going to be getting a lot more value and content. So why not subscribe and be a part of this family over here?